Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Maths with Ankita. Today we are going to discuss the GK second chapter, Good Habits Every Day. In this chapter they are giving some pictures, and also the pictures activities names are mentioned in below. We need to find out and match them at properly. First one, see the picture. What is the activity? We need to find out it. What is the activity? Play every day. Is it right? Spend the time on hobbies, brush the twice, eat the vegetables, drink, sleep on time, breathe deeply, play outside. Huh? It is, the first answer is 1. Play every day. The second one picture they are mentioning, see in the picture they are a girl going to brush. So this is the fifth one. It is fifth one. No. In the picture, the answer is C. Brush twice a day. C. Sleep on time. This is the second one. Play outside. This is the eighth one. C. Ninth one. Drinking the water. Then C. Breathe deeply. This is the sixth one. And else to home. This is the fourth one. And eat the vegetable. This is the seventh one. Then time spent for your hobbies. This is the third one. Are you understanding? Okay. Thank you for watching. See you on next class. Thank you.